So topic 4, we're verifying a trigonometric identity, and these are problem type 2. Let me see how many examples I got. So just one example. So the one that I have says sine squared x, okay, times 1 plus cotangent squared x equals 1. Well, I kind of recognize what that orange one is, you know. So I'm going to go up to the Pythagorean identities formula, okay? And I'll show you where this 1 plus cotangent squared x is, okay? So where are you? Right here. Let me erase some of these highlights. I will copy this. Come down here and I'll put it right here, okay? Now, where do you see this? Where do you see a piece of cotangent squared? Well, there is the cotangent square right there, right? And look, cotangent squared x plus 1 is equal to what? Cosecant squared x. So, leave that red sine squared x exactly the same. Don't do anything there. But now, let's substitute or replace that 1 plus cotangent squared x with what? Cosecant squared x. Now, step number 1, well, what changed here was that 1 plus cotangent squared x turned into cosecant squared x, right? So, what's the reason for it? We used the Pythagorean identity. Now moving on, keep the sine x squared, but let's rewrite that cosecant squared x into 1 over sine squared x. Now what property did I just use to write that fraction function? We used the reciprocal identity. Now, finally, look what happens now. Let me put some equal signs over here. Oh, or I'll just get rid of this equal sign. The signs, sine x squares will cancel out right here, leaving us with just what? 1. So that's the final answer. And look, that matches what's on the right side. So we are done. But the last step, last reason, is just going to be algebra. We just simplified it. And then we were able to get what's sitting on the right-hand side of the equation. So we are done proving this identity.